Please type in the chat box. Type in the chat box. Color of methyl orange. Okay. In the first one, here I have taken basic medium and this is acidic one. Okay, very good. Very good. Okay. Now we will try what we are next one is our aim is to see the color change in the color of this synthetic indicator phenolphthalein. See the spelling of phenolphthalein, PHENOL PHTHALEIN. Okay, phenolphthalein. So here I have taken two solutions. Now I give a clue. Out of the two solutions, both are, see, this is how they are planning the question. Both are colorless solution, but one is basic and the other is acidic. Now you may be remembering because I use the same bottle, but still, imagine that we don't know any idea about this, so the indicator will tell you. And I give you a clue, then you just identify A or B, that's all. So please just have a look. In the first one, I added 2-3 drops, and the second one, I add 2-3 drops here. Now see the color change. Now you tell me what is the color of phenolphthalein in basic medium. Now type down, type it. Only type. Color of phenolphthalein in basic medium. Please tell. Can you see this color? If I use this very clearly, you can see. If I use this white background, see this. Is it clear? Now type in the chat box. Type in the chat box what is the color of phenolphthalein in basic medium. Okay, let me see. Wow, please. I told you, Anusha, you have gone wrong. The phenolphthalein will give pink color in basic medium, I told you. Now please identify.
The acidic medium.
No, okay. But that was not clear. Okay. Then. So once again, so this is basic medium and this is colorless and in the acidic medium phenolphthalein. Okay. So these two indicators are what natural or synthetic indicators. So one is methyl orange and this is phenolphthalein. Okay. Now we will try to do using this phenolphthalein. We will do the next activity is to study about this wonderful reaction of what neutralization. So neutralization means it's a reaction between acid and base. For doing this, we need two dilute solution of see, I have these two chemicals here. So this is hydrochloric acid. Can you see? And this is sodium hydroxide solution. Okay. Now both the solutions are there. First I take a small quantity, and to do this we need this phenolphthalein indicator also. That's just now we added. Okay. This is the setup only. So here I take a small quantity of transfer a small quantity of this one. Can you see? I think. Do you need a color background? So please.
Sir, we can see.
Can you see, Krishna Priya?
Yes, sir, we can
Yes. The color change you must note down. Okay. Now.
Okay, sir.
Yes, please. Now, any change do you observe? No. Into this medium, I add a small quantity of sodium hydroxide. Okay. Now you can see when I add the color comes and then it immediately disappears. Now, can you see?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please slightly, a little more we need. Now you
Yes,
see.
sir.
Now you please see what is the what you call nature of the medium. Type in the chat box. Is it basic or acidic? Type it. I have used the phenolphthalein. I took acid first. It was not showing any color with the phenolphthalein. Now you please type yes. Very good. It is basic. You are right. Now I add this acid again. See, and carefully you see how what happens. The color gradually fades. That means the acid is neutralizing the base. And now see very clearly. Now tell me. Type again. Now what is the nature of the medium? Is it now acidic or basic? Type in the chat box. Okay, you are right. You are right. You are right. Okay, very good. It is acidic. Okay, why? Because it is colorless. Now if you want to get the color appearing back, please see. Now again the battle is going on between the acid and the base. Now the base will try to neutralize the acid. So please, so this is what happens when an acid is reacting with the base. Okay, so can you see the color is reappearing? Now again the medium is becoming acidic. So in this reaction, what is actually happening is when we react an acid and a base together, what happens? The acid will try to neutralize the power of the base, and the base will try to neutralize the acid. Okay, that is what is happening, and such a reaction in which it is there. Now there is during this reaction, temperature is also increasing. So if we note down the temperature with the thermometer in the initial stage itself,